Hello World. In today's video, we are going to create a Hello World program in Python. But not just any Hello World program, a production grade, overly engineered behemoth that would make any senior software engineer run for their money. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the basics. To make this program as convoluted as possible, we'll import everything under the sun. Why import? Only what you need when you can import it all. If a senior engineer catches you importing only 3 modules, they'll think you are an amateur. First, we need a decorator to ensure certain functions run only once. This is useful for initializing resources like setting up a database connection, or in our case, making sure our hello world is only set once. This decorator ensures a function only runs once, perfect for when you want to guarantee that initialization happens just once, because nothing screams senior engineer like making sure your code is immune to multiple initializations. Think of it as a one-time password, but for a function. Next, we'll simulate acquiring and releasing the Global Interpreter Lock, GIL. The GIL is Python's way of making sure only one thread executes Python bytecode at a time, preventing race conditions. This context manager mimics the global interpreter lock, ensuring that only one thread can execute our critical section at a time. In reality, Python handles this for us, but hey, we are going for maximum complexity here. Imagine it as a bathroom key in a busy office. Only one person can use it at a time. Now, let's write a worker function that will be used by both our multiprocessing pool and threads. This function will update our shared value and make sure we print hello world in the most complicated way possible. This function does the actual work. It uses our GIL lock to print and update a shared value, because who wouldn't want to add thread safety to a simple print statement? It's like hiring a security guard to watch your lunch in the office fridge. We need to initialize our shared value, ensuring it's done only once using our trusty decorator, because initializing once is never enough for a senior engineer. This function initializes a shared value using a multiprocessing manager. With the run once decorator, we ensure it happens just once, because nothing says production grade like bulletproof initialization. Think of it as a ceremonial ribbon cutting for our shared value. Finally, we'll put everything together in the main function. We'll initialize our shared value, create a multiprocessing pool, and start several threads to demonstrate concurrent access. Get ready for the most over-engineered Hello World program you've ever seen. In the main function, we use a multiprocessing manager to initialize our shared value. We then create a pool of workers and several threads, all accessing and updating the shared value. Because when you can use both multiprocessing and threading, why choose one? It's like having a party and inviting all your friends from different circles. And there you have it, a simple Hello World program turned into a complex, production-grade masterpiece. Remember, while this level of complexity isn't necessary for a simple task, it gives you a taste of the advanced concepts and the over-engineering that can sometimes occur in software development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the most over-engineered code you've ever seen. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fun and educational content, hit that bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. Until next time, happy coding!